Let's make a fun, inexpensive gift that you can make using items from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, and it's just going to cost you a few dollars to make. Hobby Lobby has a ton of cold transfer stickers, and I'm really in love with the options they have. So along with the acrylic pieces, different pieces that you can use, tumblers, different things with these, they have a good variety of different prints, different styles that you can get in these cold transfers. So I grabbed these two. I grabbed the pink one at first, and then I went back and I grabbed the other one. You have to catch them on sale to get the good deal for these, but these are nice. Even if you are spending full price on these, not expensive at all to do these. So it comes with 4. You'll get 4 of the bookmark code transfer stickers in there. And when you get the acrylic bookmarks, you're going to get 6 of those. So it's not an even number. So I had 2 bookmarks left from when I made the other bookmarks from these. So I'm just going to take 2 of these, like kind of like a boho kind of, I don't know what kind of style, what you would call this, but it has like a nice simple style. I think this style would be good for a lot of different people. They would like this as a gift. So I think mushrooms are cute, different things, butterflies and stuff like that. So I think this would be cute to use. So I'm taking those glass mugs from the Dollar Tree, which I love these mugs. They're so nice. They're so big. And I'm going to, you can clean these off and then just apply your code transfer stickers to these. For me, I'm just eyeballing where I'm putting everything. I'm trying to make sure it's lined up as neat as possible, but I'm just really eyeballing it to see. And you're going to want to make sure you press those on nice. Like I said, you clean the surface and then press those on nice. These are waterproof. I wouldn't put these in the dishwasher, but you can wash them and everything like that. So these are really nice to grab. And then they have sublimation items too that you can grab. But if you don't have all that set up, you don't have like the sublimation printer and all that extra stuff, these are a great option. Like I said, this is a great way to just add some customization to the gifts that you're going to be giving this year. So I put these around randomly and I cut them into the small pieces and then put them around randomly. And then I did the butterflies and added a few of those in there. And then I have this from Dollar Tree. So everything that's going in is coming from Dollar Tree. You could even, like I said, get a gift card. You can get that from Dollar Tree too if you wanted to, and then you can load it with different amounts. But I'm just going to fill the bottom. You'll fill the bottom however much you want, and you're going to see how much you can put in these little mugs. You can put so much. So the hand sanitizer from Dollar Tree, love this. Anytime I see some, I do grab a few. I don't grab like a whole lot, but I do grab a few of those. And then I'm trying to put the things in that kind of go with the theme of the cup. But the beauty products at Dollar Tree, I love those. They have a lot of good collections and different things. And I put the cute little pink ones that I made, the bookmarks that I made in there, because I made those a set of 4. But it didn't really go with the theme of the cup. So I had 2 of the acrylic bookmarks left and then 2 of the stickers. These are larger than the other ones. See, the other ones were just like small kind of pieces that kind of just played together. These are like full-on coverage stickers. These ones, they were in the pack along with the ones that I used for the cup. But I took 2 of those, and then I just took some like ribbon, like some rope ribbon from Dollar Tree. But you can take twine, you can take ribbon, you can take, you don't even have to put that on there. You don't have to put the tassel on there if you don't want to. But I just think it just adds another cute little detail to it. And then you'll just add that to it. And then I put those in the cup because, like I said, I think they went nice with the theme of the cup. And then if you're giving it to somebody, then they have like multiple gifts. So they have the beauty products, they have the bookmarks, they have the mug, they have the hand sanitizer. They just have everything all together. And like I said, you can fit so much in these mugs. You can see, you can put the products, the bookmarks, the hand sanitizers, large pieces of like beauty products. I was able to put a palette in there, just all kind of different things you can put in these mugs. You can do the same idea with tumblers. You can do this with Dollar Tree has a lot of good options that you can fill. I also saw these really cute like ornaments that you can put, and you can do the same kind of concept with. You can get really creative, and like I said, you don't have to get your items from Dollar Tree. You can use somebody else's favorites, and you can grab them from Sephora or from Ulta, anything like that. But this is just an idea, and this way is inexpensive. But like I said, you can add like a cute little gift card in there. And then these are the mugs just alone by themselves.